Hey guys, so today I want to do my chef tip of the week and I want to talk about New Year's. New Year's is tomorrow. So we always say New Year, new me, always thinking about like what's coming with the new year. And I want you to start thinking about your kitchen the same way we think about our closets, anything else that you are getting rid of or rebranding, remaking it new, trying something different. If you go into your cabinets and you have all these different appliances that you have not used in 2025, it's time to get rid of them in 2026. So the thing is that a lot of us, speaking from myself before as well, we're a little bit on the hoarding side. And especially to the point where we just don't want to get rid of stuff. But, having a crock pot when you don't use a crock pot, it's actually not really cool. It's just taking up space. You actually could get something that you really could use. You can either give those things away to people that you know that need them. You can take them to Goodwill. You can even sell them on places like Facebook Market if you want to spend that money that you're going to get on something new. But the whole idea is that it's a new year. It's a time to be a new you. And I know that we're going to be talking about all the things that we want to do, meal planning, meal prepping. I'm going to be talking about that on tomorrow's podcast, a little bit like going in depth with that. But even without meal planning and meal prepping and trying to get a new body every single January, a lot of times we just gloss over some of the things that we forget to like update. And a lot of that is our appliances, our utensils, things in our kitchen that we are not using. They become ornaments. They become like part of the kitchen, like decorations, and we're not actually using them for anything other than that. So my tip for you this week is go through your kitchen, go through each and every cabinet, go through all your drawers. If you've not used something in 6 months in your kitchen, it's usually an indication that you're not using it regularly. And if you're not using it regularly, then that space, that spot, that item is just taking up space that you could be using for something else. Like sometimes you'll be walking through the store and you'll think, oh, I want to get this, but where would I put it? It might go in that place where your blender is. I had a cousin who had a blender on her kitchen counter for 2 years and never actually used it. And she only bought the blender because people said you need a blender. So it's one of those things where you do need to do what's best for you. So go through your kitchen, get rid of all those things that you don't use, and then make room for some of the things you might use. So that's my tip of the week for the new year. Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you everything that you ever wanted. I hope that everyone has an amazing year and, make it the best. So peace. See you in the new year.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.